Hello friends, in this video, I will explain you the barred or prohibited items on May 5th, 2024 NEET UG entrance examination. Here you can see the barred accessories I have listed with the pictures. All these accessories are to the NEET UG entrance examination. Here you can see in the first picture, watches not allowed, bracelets not allowed, bangles, rings, belts, shoes, socks, leg straps, earrings, hair clips or hairpins, hairband, nose ring, hairband, clips, headband, and any other model of hairbands are prohibited. Student has to wear only this kind of rubber bands. Here you can see body accessories for boys also. I have given belts, shoes, socks, bracelets, goggles, ring, wallet, handkerchief, earrings, nose rings. All these items are prohibited for NEET UG examination. Next, spectacles. Even spectacles also have to wear fiber material. Don't use a metallic frame spectacles. Next, all these are also prohibited or barred items. Pen, pencil, calculator, white papers, pages, Bluetooth items, eraser, whitener, logbooks, exam pads, color water bottle, pouches, mobile, folders, files. All these items are also not allowed. So students, please leave your all belongings and accessories at your home only, and you should wear simple dress code along with the admit card, valid ID proof, passport size photograph extra, and if student belongs to PWD category, PWD certificate, and transparent water bottle. Only these items you have to carry with you to the NEET UG entrance examination. I hope you understand the word or prohibited items the NEET UG entrance examination. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe these channels. And also, if you are interested, please join to Telegram group for NEET UG counseling and CUET counseling. Okay, I will give you the link in comment box and also in description box. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box. Definitely, I will help you. Please like and share my videos to your friends too. Okay, thank you.